I usually like the music I hear about an academic decathlon, but I don't like Captain Beefheart. That being said, I watched Futurama today, the new video, because I didn't have a chance to watch it before, and it was about love. And that reminded me how one time, which is right now, I fell in love, and it wasn't very fun. It was very, very painful. But then, a bunch of candy canes fell out of a mountain, and I built a car with them, and all my friends poured gasoline on themselves and built a new obelisk inside the ocean. And that is why love is fun. See, my webcam is not near me. Now it is. I like puppies. WRS 88.9 FM. But anyway, WRS is like stupid. It doesn't need money. You know who needs money? I need money. I need money. WBRS needs money. WERS is stupid because it's like too involved in making money. But anyway, after my first ever paper for college, but I don't want to, and it's 12:35 and I haven't started, but it's only gonna get worse and worse. I just want to transfer to the University of Virginia so I could be with the only person I'll ever love. I also have to make a copy of a CD. I also have to drive to school. I also have to check my email to see if my not really gonna be my boss, because I don't like him, emailed me. So I'm just gonna go do that right now. But love isn't fun. I fell in love, then my heart was broken. Then I lost my mind. Whoa. Someone named Scott Oglesby wrote a letter to me that said, "Scott, I just read your online paper. I just wanted to let you know I am not a major pool. I kind of feel bad that you feel that way. Scott." I don't know how to deal with this, because my name is Scott Oglesby. Will this create a feedback loop? Nope. Oh, yep, look at that, feedback loop. About using cloak capture. Well, that's so weird. We have the same name. I think we should become best friends. But I'm pretty glad that he didn't email me, because I don't really want to email him. So I'm pretty happy. Now all I have to do is make illegal copies of some CDs for some people, for myself. Then I have to apologize to Scott Oglesby about calling him a major tool when actually I was referring to Scott Oglesby that is myself. 'Cause my name is Scott. And he read my blog. And I said I was a major troll, and now he thinks he's a major troll. But how can he tell? How can I? Oh, sorry, man. No disrespect. You see, it is I who is a major tool. Okay, well, I don't really have to type this out loud. Okay, bye.